What is the Quattro Pro and what does it do? It's a wireless amplifier that increases the volume and clarity during cellular calls, meetings, and face-to-face conversations by bringing the sound directly to your ears. It works with or without hearing aids, and if you do have telecoil-equipped hearing aids, those sounds are sent directly to your hearing aid through the Quattro Pro's inductive neck loop. Check with your audiologist to find out if you have telecoils in your hearing aids. What's in the box? First is the Quattro Pro neck loop. Next is the Quattro Pro removable Bluetooth microphone, the Smart Sound earbuds with earbud tips, an AC adapter, USB charging cable, and the Quattro Pro user guide. Charging the Quattro Pro. Step 1. Use the tip of a pin to move the battery engagement plus or minus switch into the plus position on the Quattro Pro, and do the same thing on the Quattro Pro removable microphone. Step 2. Plug the USB charging cable into the Quattro Pro and the other end into the AC adapter. Step 3. Plug the AC adapter into an electrical outlet to fully charge the Quattro Pro. Step 4. Charging appears on the screen of the Quattro Pro main base unit, and a red light is illuminated on the Quattro Pro microphone unit. Step 5. The Quattro Pro is charged when the screen indicates 100% and the battery icon shows full. Getting familiar with the Quattro Pro main base unit and the Quattro Pro microphone. The MFB is the multifunction button that's used to initiate and answer calls, turn the Quattro Pro on and off, activate the LCD screen, pair the Quattro Pro to Bluetooth devices like cellular telephones, smart devices, iPads, tablets, and switch between calls, and initiate Siri or S-Voice for voice activation. Next, we'll look at the earbud jack on the Quattro Pro main base unit. This jack is located between the neck loop on top of the Quattro Pro and accepts any 3.5mm stereo audio only headsets. The Quattro Pro includes a pair of Smart Sound earbuds so you can start listening right out of the box. The home screen displays the following information and more: devices connected to the Quattro Pro, headphones plugged into the Quattro Pro, and battery charge level. The home screen remains active for approximately 10 seconds, then goes dark. To reactivate the screen, simply tap any key on the device. The TFK, or tact function key, is a tact sensor that's used to answer and end telephone calls. It activates the LCD screen so that you can view information being displayed. It will also pause and play any music that you have stored on your device. Volume and scroll touch keys. These keys are used to turn the volume up and down, scroll through the menu, or skip forward and backward when listening to music. There is an 8-inch wire neck loop connected to the Quattro Pro main base unit. This cord hangs the Quattro Pro main base unit around your neck like a necklace. This is an 8-inch wire loop that connects to telecoil-equipped hearing aids. If you do not have telecoil-equipped hearing aids, you can still connect the included Smart Sound earbuds into the Quattro Pro main base unit and then insert the earbuds into your ears. This is an adjustable 8-inch wire neck loop. The wire neck loop is designed to work with telecoil-equipped hearing aids. When the telecoils are activated in the hearing aid, they act as tiny little receivers so that all of the audio that's generated through the neck loop is transferred directly into the hearing aid. Check with your audiologist to determine if you have telecoils in your hearing aids. Next, we'll look at the Quattro Pro microphone unit. This entire disc is the powerful Bluetooth microphone. It magnetically connects to the Quattro Pro main bass unit, which is also used to charge the Quattro Pro microphone unit. The Quattro Pro microphone will allow you to hear someone speaking from up to 30 feet away. It is the perfect solution for better hearing in meetings, lectures, classrooms, and religious services. Simply place the Quattro Pro microphone close to the person that's speaking, and their voice will be heard directly through the Quattro Pro main unit. Using the Quattro Pro Bluetooth microphone. When you're ready to use the Quattro Pro Bluetooth microphone, you simply need to activate the microphone and place it close to the person speaking, and just stay within 33 feet of the Quattro Pro main bass unit. To listen to the Quattro Pro using the Quattro Pro Bluetooth microphone, separate the microphone from the main bass unit. Hang the Quattro Pro main bass unit around your neck with the screen facing out. When the Quattro Pro main bass unit is on, press and hold the MMFB button on the Quattro Pro Bluetooth microphone for about 4 seconds until the small indicator light turns blue. The Quattro Pro main bass unit will announce Device 1 or Device 2 connected.
Device 1 connected,
which will be heard through the neck loop or smart sound earbuds. Press the MMFB button on the Quattro Pro Bluetooth microphone just once to connect to the Quattro Pro main bass unit. The screen on the Quattro Pro main bass unit will display incoming. After approximately 2 seconds, the screen will show a timer. This indicates the Quattro Pro microphone is connected and the microphone is open. You can place it where you want to pick up sound or voices. For example, in the middle of a meeting room table. To close the Quattro Pro microphone, press and hold the MMFB button on the Quattro Pro Bluetooth microphone for about 4 seconds, and you will hear "Call terminated,"
call terminated,
and the screen will go back to the home screen. Whenever that person is speaking, their voice can be heard through the Quattro Pro main bass unit, and the sound is delivered through your telecoil-equipped hearing aids or through the included smart sound earbuds. Pair the Quattro Pro with your Bluetooth devices. Step 1. Ensure the Quattro Pro is turned off. Step 2. Then press and hold the multifunction button for approximately 6 seconds. After around 6 seconds, the Quattro Pro main bass unit will announce pairing, which will be heard through the earbuds or through your telecoil-equipped hearing aids while wearing the neck loop. And this is what it sounds like when listening through the Quattro Pro.
Pairing, pairing,
and pairing appears on the Quattro Pro screen. Step 3. Turn on the Bluetooth device and put it in Bluetooth pairing mode. Often this requires device menu selections such as Settings, Bluetooth, On, and choose Quattro Pro. Step 4. When the device name appears on the Quattro Pro screen, it is paired and connected. Receiving calls and volume control. When a call comes in, you will hear the phone ringing through your hearing device or earbuds, and the word incoming will appear on the Quattro Pro main bass unit home screen. If you're listening to music or an audiobook when the call comes in, it will pause and you will hear the ringing of the telephone. To answer, press the MFB or the multifunction button 1 time to answer the call. To reject the call, press and hold the MFB button. You will hear "Call rejected," and the caller will be sent directly to your voicemail. To adjust the volume during a call, tap the left volume and scroll touch key on the screen to reduce the volume, and the right volume and scroll touch key to increase the volume. There are 15 volume levels which will only display when you adjust the volume during an active call. The Quattro Pro remembers the last level that was set. It's a good idea to recharge the Quattro Pro microphone and Quattro Pro main bass unit every evening. Thank you for watching the training video on the ClearSounds Quattro Pro.